Now we only have one more bit to learn in the Imagine riff, and that bit is played with your index finger, your middle finger, and then your ring finger. But I think that's a bit of a long-winded way of describing your fingers: index finger, middle finger, ring finger. So I'm going to teach you the finger numbers so that I can tell you what finger to play the notes with much more quickly. So in piano playing, the finger numbers are symmetrical. Your thumbs are always 1, and then it just goes outwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your little fingers are always 5. So thumb is 1, index finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and little finger is 5. Now most people get the right hand correct because it reads from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But people often get confused with the left hand because they're thinking in terms of reading from left to right. So they think that the left hand finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember that the hands are symmetrical and thumbs are 1. So actually, if you read from left to right in the left hand, the finger numbers are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just be careful that you're not calling this finger number 1. Little finger is always finger 5, and thumb is always 1. One other thing to note if you play guitar or if you're going to play guitar, I'm not a guitarist myself, but I'm pretty sure that in guitar playing, they just call thumbs thumb, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically the finger numbers in guitar are different. It goes thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just bear in mind that in piano it's always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's always only numbers and you always go up to 5.